Right, in this video we're going to have a look at adjusting these Cobalt digital IP motors. There's two things that you can do to adjust them. First of all, you can adjust the tension on the actual arm itself with this tensioning bar. This goes up or down, it's on the slider. Basically, the further you push it down, the more tension you're going to have on this spring here. And the second way is with the screws on the bracket, the mounting bracket. Basically what you can do is, if you slacken them off, you'll then be able to move the point motor to the left or to the right, so that you center it up as near as possible to the center of that hole. You've got, I don't know if you can see very well on here, but along there you've got basically a join line is where you've got the two plastic castings on either side, and it goes top to bottom pretty much, and you can use that to line up with the center of the hole that you've used. Now, it might be a bit easier on here because I've used these sort of mounting plates, because I'm dropping in my motors from the top. If you're putting your motor in from underneath, you may have a problem with aligning up. What might be an idea is to put some light colour paint, maybe some white paint along that line, so you can, it's easier for you to see underneath the board to line up to the centre of that hole. What sometimes I find is with the points, if they're not quite positioned exactly in line with the hole, you can then, you find that the blades don't go all the way across on the point, so you can use basically these screws to allow you to move it across as well, and the tensioning bar here, that will allow you to increase the tension to move those blades across all the way. So yeah, that's it. Two different ways of adjusting the point motors. Until the next video, goodbye.